Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link has reacted perfectly to the 61.8 retracement level at $14.67. We talked about that yesterday, and yeah, it's possible now that wave 4 in the white count has formed a low, and wave 5, as you know, would need to reach at least $20, better a little bit higher, but $20 would be fine. If we can form 5 waves up to $20, then I call that a 5-wave move up complete. That would be the first solid confirmation for us. So we can say that this larger degree wave 2 bottomed actually on the 13th of April, because then we would see a diagonal pattern to the upside. So larger wave 1, large 5-wave move topped in March, larger wave 2, large wave 2 on the 13th of April, bottomed. And then this would now be a third wave rally to the upside to $90 plus. But obviously this consists of several subwaves, so this might be the first wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We call that then another wave 1, and I can then give you another support area for wave 2. So let's clear that up actually. What we don't need anymore is the 1.38 extension on the chart. It did its job for the third wave. That was the ideal target for the third. We can take that off. But what matters now is the 1.618 extension and the 1.786 extension for the wave 5. This would have to be the wave 5. I mean, if this is the bullish count, this would have to be the wave 5, because any low below yesterday's low, below 1467, I highlighted here, it's the lowest possible support for wave 4. Okay, I shouldn't say lowest possible, but lowest reliable support for wave 4. I wouldn't call that, I wouldn't label it anymore as the white count if we get a sustained break below yesterday's low. So therefore, ideally, really, the fifth wave is now unfolding. And does it mean it's guaranteed? No, nothing is guaranteed in these markets, but we can only identify the relevant levels, the pivots where the price has a good chance to turn around. And I mentioned yesterday we have 2 counts here that we can consider. We can consider the white count, where we need a reaction before the price breaks below 1467. The golden ratio level here, the 61.8 retracement, is anyway a key level to watch in any pullback. And I said to you, oh, it might look a little bit more like a 5-wave move down in yellow wave 1, right? So I added the resistance area for yellow wave 2. But I said in both counts, we actually want to see a reaction here. And we could now be on our way into this resistance area, which is defined between $16.86 and $18.17. And this is wave 2 resistance, and from there we could see a third wave down. So if we now see a rejection in the resistance area, then we know that we're likely heading down to $10 or so in the yellow count. So this is just something, this is a resistance area that needs to be broken by the bulls, and a break above $18.17, if sustained, would allow us to, let's say, target the $20 range. I continue to focus on the white count until I see, a strong rejection in the resistance area, followed by let's say a sharp decline or something. That would be the signal that it's the yellow count. Yellow for now is alternative. That's why it's highlighted as alternative count. White count is primary, but probabilities are not very clear until we get the first 5-wave move up. Then we can say, okay, you know, the probabilities for the white count will increase much further after we have 5 waves up, because then I can say really, with some confidence, the wave 2 really bottomed. At the moment, it's just, I'm tracking it, give the bulls the benefit of the doubt as long as we're forming higher highs and higher lows, and as long as we're holding relevant supports. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.